Hello guys, so I give you swimming tip number 1. So kung paano tayo mag-breath hold under the water. So first, ma-hold kayo sa wall. Yan. So sa breath holding, you have to inhale sa mouth, face underwater, tapos no any bubbles yan. Huwag kayo magbablow ng air sa mouth or sa nose, okay? Hold nyo lang yung breath hanggat kaya. Tapos try nyo muna yung 10 seconds to 30 seconds kung kaya. Tapos pag hindi na kaya ng breath holding, you have to exhale yung air underwater sa nose before you head up. So I give you example. Ethan, get ready. Inhale sa mouth, do 10 seconds breath holding, okay? And head up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's example. So you can hold your breath 10 seconds, right? So pag nag-breath hold kayo, alam niyo yung capacity nyo and hindi kayo magpapanik under the water, right? So ngayon, tuturuan ko kayo ng tip na kung paano kayo magsiswim kahit walang arm. Only kicks lang pero malayo na yung mararating nyo. Okay, so ganito. Ethan, you have to kick like this. Sa proper kick naman, keep your legs straight, pointed toes, tapos do a small distance kick. Okay, ganito. Small distance kick. And then apply mo yung breath holding na 10 seconds. So ganito. Goggles on. 10 seconds breath holding. Use the flutter kicks. Okay, Ethan? Get ready. And go. Arm in front. Kick, 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 kick. And stop. There you go. Go back. Get ready. Arm in front. Inhale. Head up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See? So nakasim na siya ng farther, and that's the swimming tip number 1. Follow for more. Thanks and God bless.